Welcome to Geeker. Today, we're going to learn how to create pivot tables in Google Sheets. So let's get started. So pivot tables are really ideal when we're using a lot of information or going through a variety of data and need to sort through it quickly. So in this example, we have sales over a couple different coffee shops in different locations. So instead of having to sort through all of this, we're going to use a pivot table. So I'm going to select all of my data. Then I'm going to go up here and click Insert and Pivot Table. Now you can choose to put it on a new sheet or your existing sheet. I'm going to put it on a new sheet. So we're going to hit Create. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add my rows. And if I click Add, it's going to give me the list of items that I can actually add. So for this one, I'm going to do Item. And then under Columns, let's say we decide to do Location. And then under Values is always going to be the amount. So we have our amount here. So as you can see, I can quickly see how much I sold in bagels in Los Angeles versus New York versus Philadelphia. So it's very easy to go through all of this data and sort it together. Now another feature here is filters. So let's say I click Add and I wanted to add the month. So when I do a filter, it will say show all items for, let's say I cleared this out and I only want to see January. Let's say that's when the stores open and I want to see how we did first month. And we can filter that by the month. We can choose, maybe we only want to see the first quarter, January, February, March. And right there we can see we can filter. So pivot tables in Google Sheets are really easy and useful. It's just being able to know how to use it, how do you want to show it. You have so many different options here. Again, we have rows, columns, values, and filters. And you can just use it really as you see fit. Just note that if the item that you're trying to add or use in your pivot table, it needs to be listed up here with the title. If it's not, then you're going to run into some issues. So always make sure you have a title at the top so that your pivot table knows what to pull. And that's it. That's how we create pivot tables in Google Sheets. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips.